Hello everyone, today is March 9th and this is an analysis of Tesla. I wanted to show you a couple things here that's going on with the chart. This is the daily chart. You can see here that I have a couple of anchored VWAPs, that's volume weighted average price. So I have a lower average price showing right here. That's what people are generally paying as you look at the volume with the price, and then there's an upper anchor on this price up here starting at 12.22, and you can see here that that anchored VWAP for the top level sits around this 420 to 430 area, which corresponds with the volume shelf. I think this is pretty interesting. You can see here that at the 618 fib level that it's hit it here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times around that 383, 380 level. So that is an important area of resistance. If we drop below that, I imagine we're probably going to get pretty close to this 366, but we could just bounce off here and go higher. If we do get up to this volume shelf at the 430 area, you can see that this is a potential launch area to meet previous highs at 498. I want to show you the weekly chart at Tesla. This will give you a zoomed out perspective to see what's going on in the long term. You can see here that this is measured out from 2021 November, and we have this Fibonacci level measurement going on right here. You can see here that Fibonacci is really important with Tesla. You can see here at the 618 fib level, it basically gave you some resistance here, and then this resistance flipped to support in July of 2025, and we've been on a pretty uphill, steep climb until we hit these. We kind of topped out around this 498 level, but you can see this is pretty interesting with the fib level that we just topped out right there at that 49, close to 499. It was 498, but that fib level. Lower support right now is going to be 383, as we saw on this other chart. But long term, if you're looking at Tesla, we could be, if we hold here and then we get above this 414, this essentially is going to flip this resistance to support, and that could lead us to higher levels. And I think what's really interesting is looking at this golden ratio, the 1.618 Fibonacci, and that's a target of 607. So I hope this helps, and have a great day.